voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
As per the leaked specs sheet, the Realme X50 will feature a 6.44-inch Samsung E2 Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the device will be powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 735 5G chipset, which will be coupled with 6GB/8GB of RAM and 128GB/256GB of internal storage. It is unclear as to whether or not there will be support for expandable storage. For photography, the Realme X50 is tipped to feature a quad rear camera setup, 60MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP. At the front, we will get a dual punch-hole camera setup, 32MP plus 8MP. As far as the battery of the device is concerned, the Realme X50 5G is reported to feature a 4500 mAh battery, which will have support for VOOC 4.0 charging. Coming to the Realme X50 Lite, the leak suggests that the device will feature a 6.55-inch JDI LCD display, but it won't feature a 90Hz refresh rate. The display will instead be a standard 60Hz unit. The Realme X50 Lite will run on the MediaTek MT6885 5G chipset, which was announced a little while ago. Backing up the processor is reported to be 6GB/8GB of RAM and 64GB/128GB of internal storage. Again, the presence of expandable storage is unclear as of now. Moving on to the cameras of the device, the Realme X50 Lite will also feature a quad rear camera setup, but the primary camera won't be a 60MP unit, it will instead be a 16MP sensor, which can very well be expected anyway as it is a light smartphone. Overall, the rear camera arrangement will be 16MP plus 8MP wide angle plus 2MP macro plus 2MP portrait. At the front, we will get a single 32MP selfie shooter. The battery of the Realme X50 Lite will be 5000 mAh with support for super fast VOOC 4.0 charging. Both the Realme X50 and the Realme X50 Lite are tipped to feature Dolby Atmos. As of now, the specifications are unconfirmed, so we might as well take them as speculated specifications only. That said, we are sure to receive further intel on the same in the coming days.